Hello everyone, Jesse Webb, Traders Pro. Market conditions remaining bullish in this bull market. At the extreme end of this upper range now, we've seen momentum now have a really sharp spike back up to the upper end of this range, 189. Currently, we're also seeing breadth still looking solid, has not moved back to the extreme range. It was up in this range here, and it's moved back into that buy zone. We're seeing sentiment towards the upper end of that range. We are seeing the buy-sell ratio just sitting pretty flat right here, just about have another crossover. We're sitting right at 0.95 currently, so kind of a tug of war happening here in the last few days. A little bit of a bearish spike and then a bullish spike. We are seeing sentiment now back in that upper range, back to 87. So we're at the extreme end of this current trend, which may slow things here over the next few days and weeks. We'll see how that plays out. If we take a quick look here at sectors, actually let's jump over and look at S&P 500, and we can see this is SPY, which is the exchange traded fund for S&P 500, and it is reaching the current highs of this 6-month time frame, of the 1-year time frame, also reaching current highs right here. So having just a really nice move. We're at the extreme end or towards the upper end of that momentum range, which could set us up for a little bit of a retest of this area. We could retrace back and retest this 479 range, which should start to act as support. If we see that 479 range now start to break back down and we start to lean back towards that 467 range, and we know the overall uptrend could be slowing right here, but as of now, continuing to look quite bullish with this breakout. If we look at sectors to see how those are also shifting, we didn't see a whole lot. We had 2 or 3 sells yesterday, moved back into a couple back into this hold range. So still sectors, not all sectors participating, kind of flat, a few that are up, a few that are down. Also kind of corresponding to what the other indicators are showing us. And some of the commodities we've been watching here, gold having hovering around that upper range, that 187 range in that momentum zone, trying to find some continued support right here. And then also oil, also holding right here, working on this constructive base. If we look at this one on the 1-year time frame, which we've done the last few days, we can also see that 70.56 range creating some resistance, and 67 some support right here. So this range in oil, keep an eye on the new buy list and any of the scans that you've created for oil stocks. They may start to creep back into those as oil is starting to turn. We may see some of those stocks also starting to round the corner, and oil could start to show a new uptrend right here. If we take a look at a few new buys from the new buy list today to consider, GCT, GigaCloud. This has been a big runner here recently. In the last year, you can see a pretty aggressive mover. 6-month time frame, it's hovering right up around this $18 range, 19, consolidating and looking like it wants to move higher. This is a really constructive bottoming tail bar right here when you have a stock that opens, retraces, rallies, and then gives a little confirmation. There's some definitely some demand right here in this location. I'd keep an eye on that stock. Also ELF, which has also been a really good stock the last year and a half. Similar type of bar, really sell off, lots of volume coming back in, and kind of an indecision bar right here on this day, but holding some support. And then the last one on the top of that list, SVRA, in that biotech drug world, and big volume, big confirmation bar, $4 stock, and also could see some nice continuation just based on that pattern and some volume coming into the stock. That'll do it for today's update. Everybody have a fantastic day today.